In today's video, I am going to show you how you can solve Instagram followers automatically decreasing problem. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you are a user on Instagram and you are facing this problem where your followers are decreasing, then this video is for you. If you are losing like 1 to 2 followers on daily basis, then that is absolutely normal. But if you are seeing a major drop in your followers, like 100 to 200 users are unfollowing you on daily basis, then that is something you need to worry about. So if you want to solve this problem, then all you have to do is to click on these three horizontal lines, go to settings, click on the search bar, and in the search bar type apps and website. Click on apps and websites and make sure that there are no active apps here, and if any app is visible here, then all you have to do is to remove it. And after this, your followers decreasing on Instagram problem will be solved. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.